Hello. So the first thing I want to say is I feel so great and so natural being up here, and it's like one of the most amazing feelings in the world. Basically, what I want to talk to you about today is I feel like I've been manifesting a lot of great things, starting off from finding $1 on the ground to getting a front row parking spot, doing all that. And one of my professions is I'm an actress, and recently I just went out for this role, and I'm into testing mode right now. And my question to you is, how do I get out of my head about manifesting huge things like my dreams?
By realizing that it's exactly the same process as the parking place. Sometimes it's helpful to examine the components. So a parking place is not a huge risk, but is it a desire? In other words, when you want a parking place, don't you want one? And so there's a desire there and an expectation. If you start realizing that the universe yields to you when you're in the receptive mode, this is something really worth talking about. Seems like a simple subject, but it is so full of valuable information. So let's just talk about the obtaining of a parking place, and let's call it a precious and rare parking place, just because of where we are. So you have a desire for a parking place, and you're moving through a space, and your inner being, source, we're not kidding you about this, sees you and knows where you are in relationship to a parking place. If you are in the receptive mode, the very speed at which you drive and turns that you make, because you know what it's like to move through a parking lot, there are lots of options, aren't there? And so rather than just covering as much ground as quickly as you can and trying to get everybody out of the way as quickly as you can and being, if you'll just relax and acknowledge that you're in the receptive mode and that your inner being knows where it is, and just follow the feeling, you will notice that your inner being can lead you to a parking place. Esther spent a week with friends between Christmas and New Year's. They went to every movie in the city, all over the city, and had a perfect parking place every single time, every single time, every single time, because 100% of the people in the car expected that to happen, and that's the experience that they have. And each time they got out, they reveled in the delightfulness of their parking place. Life just felt so good. It's like all is well in the world because we got a parking place. Because it is evidence of thoughts turning to things. Those things matter because they represent how you feel, you see. That feeling of being guided is the best feeling that you can have. You really want to foster that. And so if you've got that going on, and you do, then the impulse to answer a request or a call, or the impulse to talk to this one, or the impulse to try out for this or that, all of those, it's that guidance, because your inner being knows who you are, what you like to do, what you want to improve on, what you want to get better at. Your inner being knows every bit of all of that, you see, and knows how to guide you to it. It's the same thing, the same simple thing.
Got it. And also, one of your talks before, you were saying about sometimes giving a little less attention to what you really want, to maybe possibly to release resistance.
Here's the thing about that. If you're flying high about it, the more attention you give it, the more fun it is, the faster the energy moves, and the more you get to guide the specifics of it. But if you're worried about it, then the less attention you give it, the more leeway you give the universe to please you, because the universe knows what you want. So when you really trust the universe, when you really trust source, when you really trust your inner being, when you really trust your vortex, and you know all that you want's all in there, then you can be very general, and the specifics will come to you easily. And frankly, we think that that is the best formula for almost everyone, because you stay out of your own way. You don't stir up your beliefs that hinder you. But it's really fun when you master alignment to then say to the universe, I specifically want this, and then watch the thrill of the universe specifically delivering specifically that. So you have to feel your way. If you're feeling confident, if you're feeling invincible, you are.
I love that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.